Hello everyone, this is Tech Munchos here, and today we will be showing you on how to connect to a FileZilla server using FileZilla. So for the host, you're going to want to put the allowed protocol, which is FTP, SFTP, FTPS, stuff like that, and then you're going to want to put your username. So if you say you're connecting to a DigitalOcean job port, just use root. And normally you can find the port that you want to connect to, but if you're using SFTP, you're going to want to use 22 as your port. Now your password will be your root password. That's what you use to log in to your server. Now, that is how you would connect to a FileZilla server. I will not be showing you an example because, well, I'm too lazy to. I may make a better tutorial later. But that's how to. Thank you for watching Tech Munchos. Goodbye.